Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will be deploying OpenClaw to the Windows 11. In my previous video, I deployed OpenClaw to an Azure container, which is totally self-hosted and much secure option. But in today's video, we will focus on deploying this agent on Windows 11. So navigate to OpenClaw.ai and click on one-liner. Windows is selected by default. You can change it to Mac, but I am installing on Windows, so I have Windows selected. Then we have PowerShell or command prompt option. So I will choose PowerShell. Open your VS Code. I am just checking what version of PowerShell I have installed. If you know the command, you can directly type in the terminal, but if you don't know, you can ask Copilot. I have PowerShell 7.5.4 installed, so I would recommend you install the same version of PowerShell. So open your PowerShell. So here is my PowerShell version. Click on that arrow and make sure you open as administrator. So once you have PowerShell open, click on this URL and just type it here. So it's saying that Windows is detected, and it's also saying that Node.js is already installed. If you don't have Node.js installed, it will start a wizard to install Node.js. OpenClaw is now installed. So the installation has been finished, and now we are starting the setup. It's asking for this confirmation. You have to press right and left arrow keys to switch to the options. I select yes and press enter. There are two onboarding modes, quick start and the manual. So we will choose quick start. So asking for the model, which model you want to go. You can choose your model. I will go ahead with OpenAI. So now for the OpenAI, do you go for ChatGPT authentication, or you have an API key, or you want to go back? I will select first option. Authentication is successful. We can copy this code, paste the code, and press enter. So we can choose different models. So I will keep the current one. Now, what channels you want to connect? In this video, we will connect WhatsApp and also the Discord. So let's do Discord first. So it's asking for the Discord bot token. Go to discord.com/developer/applications. Create a new application. Go to installation. Uncheck user install. Click on none. Click on save changes. Go to bot. Uncheck public bot and check server member intent. and also check message content intent. In the permission, check send message, read message history, view channels, and click on save changes. Okay, now click on reset token. Copy this token and paste it here. Enter yes. Allowed list yes. Just press enter, or you can enter your channels comma separated. Skills, you can skip skills for the time being. Now installing the gateway. From these options, open the web UI and press enter. Okay. So now it's saying that the dashboard is ready, which we can see here. We can open this web app. And now it's saying, do you want to enable ZSH shell? I would say yes. And onboarding is now complete. So we can minimize this window. And here is our chat app. So it's saying that it is connected to the OpenAI GPT-5. Okay, so the web app is now working. So now let's connect Discord channel. Go to OAuth, click on bot, click on application commands. In the permission, click send message, read message history, and view channels, and copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, it's now asking for the server. I already have one server installed. If you don't have a server, you need to create a server. So go to Discord chat app. It's different from the developer portal. So that is discord.com/developers. Now we need to go to discord.com/channels. Here is my server, YouTube demo. But if you don't have a server, you click on this add server option, create my own for me and my friends. And then you specify the name here and click on create. So once you create a server, go back to this page, refresh, and your server will appear in this drop down. So I already have a server, so I will select that. Click on continue, click on authorize, and Windows 11 agent has been authorized. So if I go back to my Discord chat, in my Discord, if I go to YouTube demo server, I can see that Windows 11 agent is available. I can click on the agent. I can just send a hello message. Okay, so it's now giving me these options. It says it's not configured yet. My Discord user ID is this, and the pairing mode is this, and it's asking me to run this command. So copy this command You can do in the same window, or you can open a new window. Just press Control C and you will see this command prompt, and just type your code here. Okay, so the Discord sender, which is ending with 7026, which is my user ID. You can see here 7026 is now approved as a sender. Let me send a message again. Okay, and now we can start the chat. You will see that we can see the chat history here as well. And you can ask any question. So let's ask some question which is related to my computer. Okay, so it's saying that I have C drive, and then there is another drive which has no letter. C drive has 510 gig total, and 309 gig is free. Okay, so it has access to my videos folder. You can see that a browser has been opened and it's going to google.com. Okay, so the Discord has now been configured, and now let's move to WhatsApp. So in your PowerShell, just type OpenClaw channels login and press enter. And it's saying that WhatsApp is not supported, so we have to enable that. Just type OpenClaw plugins enable WhatsApp. So the plugin WhatsApp has now been enabled, and now we have to restart the gateway so we can apply the changes. So just type OpenClaw gateway restart. Gateway has been now restarted, and now let's try again. OpenClaw channels login. And now it's asking for this connection, but before that, let me connect WhatsApp to my computer. Okay, WhatsApp is now open on my computer. I have to scan this one now. Okay, so device has been linked. So now let's restart the gateway. I'm closing this. Gateway restart. OpenClaw recommend that you should have a different phone number for WhatsApp connection, but I have only one phone number, so I will use my personal one. So once this is all connected, you need to go to a JSON file and add your phone number there. So the JSON file is located here. Just copy this path, including OpenClaw, and there is a OpenClaw.json file. Open that. In that file, we have a section for channels, and then we have a section for Discord. Now we have to add a new section here for WhatsApp. So if you go to your web app, there is a section for docs. Go to personal assistant setup, and here is a section we need to add. So copy this section. The channel is already there, so we don't have to copy this channel. We just need to copy this part only. So this is the Discord starting places, and this is here it ends. And after that, put a comma and paste. So make sure this WhatsApp is in double quotes. Allow from is also in double quotes, and your phone number should also be double quotes. So I will type my personal phone number here. So type your phone number including your country code and just press save and restart the gateway again. Now I can refresh this and the web app is all running. So the gateway is also running. So let's send a message. So that's my personal phone number. So I will enter send. Okay, now if I go to WhatsApp, I can click on my profile and I can see a message is there. So I can reply back. And now this message came from that OpenClaw window. So if we go here, I can see that message here. Okay, so now we have connected WhatsApp and also the Discord. Now let's have a look few options here. You're already familiar with chat now. On the right hand side, you can see the health okay. So that means it's all connected and you can switch, you can toggle the mode here. So overview, so that's the URL, which is also displayed here. So that's the gateway URL. This is the gateway token, keep it secret. And this is connected. So that's the status and the uptime. And this is the agent. I will talk about agents in a minute. Now let's move to channels. So it says I have WhatsApp and Discord configured. So if I configure more channels, which I will do in next couple of videos, we will see more channels here. So these are the channel settings and the status. You can see everything here. Now the instances. So this is my computer which I am connected to, and there is one agent it is connected to, and then we can see this UI as well. Session, there is only one session, so that is connected to my phone number. Cron job, currently there is no cron job, and I will create few cron jobs in the next video, and then we will discuss this in detail. Agents, currently there is only one agent, so and that's the agent detail. So this agent called main agent, and that's the folder for this main agent, and this main agent is running OpenAPI Codex GPT-5. If I go to files, these are the core files. Tools, all the permission it has. It can read, write, it can do almost everything. So you can control permissions here, permission for the tools. Skills, currently it has no skills, but we have 50 built-in skills. We will use some of them in future. And we will also create our own skills. And same for the channel, it is connected to WhatsApp and Discord. Cron job, currently there is no cron job. So currently there is only one agent. So let's create another agent. So go to your terminal, type OpenClaw, agents, add, and name of the agent. So I will say this agent would be my work agent. So you can have multiple agents. So one could be your main agent, your work agent, your home agent, and then you can assign different tasks to them. So I'm now creating a work agent, and it's saying that it's adding a new agent, and it is forcing that this would be the new workspace directory for this agent. I press enter, and it's saying copy the authentication file from the existing agent, which was main agent. You can basically clone the main agent, or you can start from scratch. I'm happy to clone. So I pressed enter. I selected yes and press enter. And do you want to configure model authentication for the agent? I will say yes. I had OpenAI subscription, so I will go ahead with OpenAI and ChatGPT auth. For the different agents, you can connect to different AI models and you can perform differently. Okay, so that part is now done. Channels, if you want, you can configure new channels. It say that WhatsApp is already linked and the Discord is already configured, which we have configured in the main agent. But then you have a long list of other agents, which we will do in next couple of videos. So I will say no. Agent work is now ready. You might need to restart the gateway, but let's have a look here. Oh, it's already there. So we had the main agent and now we have the work agent. And similarly, you can create multiple agents and assign them a different model, and you can perform different tasks. So they can have different permissions, different skills, and connect to different channels. Now let's talk about the skills. Currently, we don't have any skills, but we will create skills. And these are the list of predefined skills. So these are the configuration for the OpenClaw. And then you have this debugging if you need to. And then we have logs. This is the log. So what's happening in the background, everything is here. You can see any errors, warning, information, everything is here. And this is the docs, which is official documentation. So we have done the installs. We have covered few channels. We have added only WhatsApp and Discord. In the next few videos, we will create Telegram and few other channels as well. If I restart my computer, it will close down this window. For example, if I close this now, and if I go and refresh here, I can't see anything. It will. So if you restart your computer, that means this gateway is now closed. So how can you restart that again? So go to your PowerShell or open a new PowerShell window and type OpenClaw Gateway Restart. And this will open a new command prompt, and just wait for a few seconds. And it's ready. So now you can run OpenClaw Docker. That will tell you, that will scan your gateway and tell you if there are any issues or errors. So it's saying that the gateway service entry point does not match the current install. Update the gateway service config to recommended defaults now. I would say yes. And it has added few things, and it says WhatsApp is all linked, Discord is all linked, and it has 2 agents, and then there is a heartbeat service also running, and the Docker is complete. So you can also do a security audit. For example, if I type OpenClaw security audit deep, it will scan your gateway and it will tell you if there are any issues. So it's saying that the gateway trust proxies is missing. So that's the only warning. There is a fix available that says set gateway dot trusted proxies to your proxy's IPs or keep the control UI local only. So because it's local to me only, so I don't need to worry about this. You can run this command on a different times and see if there are warnings or errors. And if you want to see a full list of options available, you type OpenClaw help, and these are the commands available. So we have installed this agent on a computer and we have given full permission to this agent on this computer. So this agent can do almost everything, which could be risky in some cases. So this is one approach. Another approach, as I said earlier in the video, you can deploy this both to Azure Container App, and which would be much secured option. So try this installation and let me know in the comments if you have any problem. And please don't forget to subscribe, and see you again in the next video.